A heartiest welcome to all of you. Myself, Anmol Gulgulia of 9th Standard Section D, and today I am going to introduce our English project on the topic The Sound of Music. I, along with my group members of Group E, will present a short presentation that will show the love and passion for music. This presentation is all about the two music maestro and their life. This presentation will provide insight into the struggles and hard work that both of these musicians had to face to achieve greatness in their lives. This presentation will provide all of us a message that hard work and determination serves us well. So, without any delay, let's begin it.
Who is Evelyn Glennie? Evelyn Glennie is considered one of the world's foremost percussionists, and she is the first and only full-time solo classical percussionist. She has been performing worldwide with great orchestras, conductors and artists. She has been profoundly deaf since the age of 12, which made her develop her ability to hear through the rest of her body. She is currently forming the Evelyn Glennie Collection with a vision to open centers that embodies her mission to teach the world to listen.
Though Alvin Glennie was profoundly deaf, she managed to feel music instead of hearing it and also could trace what people said through the movement of the lips. She never thought of giving up and never limit her aims.
Evelyn performs at regular concerts. She also gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She also gives high prizes to classes for young musicians.
Hello everyone, my name is Maisun Diwan. Today I am going to tell you about the achievements of Evelyn Glennie. Evelyn Glennie was auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music. She scored one of the highest marks in the history of the Academy. After the end of a 3-year course, she had bagged the most top awards. She also became the world's most sought after multi-percussionist who achieved thousands of instruments. In 1991, she received the prestigious Soloist of the Year award that was awarded by the Royal Philharmonic Society. She was an OBE in 1993.
Ustad Kamaruddin Bismillah Khan, often referred to by the title Ustad, was an Indian musician credited with popularizing the shehnai, a subcontinental wind instrument of the oboe class.
Hi everyone, myself Aisha Riza Ahmed. I am a student of class 9 and also a member of group E. Today I am going to tell you when Bismillah Khan was born. Ustad Bismillah Khan was born on 21st March 1916. He belongs to a well-known family of musicians from Bihar. Thank you.
Ustad Bismillah Khan was born on 21 March 1916, often referred to by the title Ustad. He was awarded India's highest citizen honor, the Bharat Ratna, in 2001, becoming the third classical musician to be awarded Bharat Ratna. Thank you.
Work of Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan was an Indian musician who played shehnai. Apart from shehnai, Bismillah Khan was associated with film as well as he acted in Sanjit Rai's films in 1957, whose director was Vijay Bhatt.
Struggle of Bismillah Khan. Khan was perhaps single-handedly responsible for making the shehnai a famous classical instrument. He brought shehnai to the central stage of Indian music with his concerts in the Calcutta, known as Kolkata in All India Music Conference in the year 1937. He was credited with having the almost monopoly over the instrument, as he and the shehnai are almost synonyms.
Bismillah Khan was fascinated by music at very young age. Gradually he started getting lessons in learning the shehnai and practiced the instruments for hours. For several years he practiced his music at the river Ganga and the temple of Balaji.
Hello everyone, my name is Kritika Parekh. I am from class 9 section C. So today I am here to tell you all about the invention of Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan was a legend Indian musician of the wind instrument the Shehnai, which he popularized and brought it to a pinnacle of glory, and for which he got the honorific Ustad prefix to his name.
For his creativity and mastery in his art, Khan was bestowed by the title Ustad and earned many accolades like Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Bharat Ratna, Sangeet Natak Academic Award, honorary decorates from Banaras Hindu Academy and Vishwanath University.
Now we are going to play some of the rags of Bismillah Khan.
August 1947, Bismillah Khan played Rag Kafi on his Shehnai from the Red Fort.
These were some of the rags of Ustad Bismillah Khan. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you like our presentation. Thank you.